The Gurukul system of education was the primary education system in ancient India. In the Gurukul system of education, students went to the teacher's house and request them to teach. If Guru accepts the students as his Shishya, then the student stays at the Guru's place itself and Guru mentored them in all their activities. The advantage of this system was that it created a very good bond between the teacher and his students. Students also learned how to run a family and gained insights on how to deal with society. The current education system and the teachings they are provided today are very different from the ones in the ancient Gurukul system. The Gurukul system of education was widely followed in ancient India, and the country was not lesser than the other nations. In fact, India was the one which gave the world zero, and it was Indians who first quoted that Earth was round in shape. There was also a mention in ancient literature about the Viman, which we today know as the aircraft. In fact, the Indian system of medicines was also very highly developed, and they had known surgery techniques where they could do surgery. This was the system of education prevalent in India around 5000 BC. During the Vedic age, when values of living a cultured life and discipline were given higher priority, this system was widely practiced. The home of the Guru or the teacher was referred to as the Gurukul, and the student resided there until they completed their education. Equality for all the students was a major priority for the Gurukul, and both the Shishyas and the Gurus resided at the same place, which created a stronger bonding. The relationship between the students and the teachers was really sacred, and no fees was even charged by the Gurus. Instead of fees, students paid their respect in the form of Guru Dakshina as the remark for thankfulness to the teacher. The Gurukul system of education emphasized on the all-round development of the students. Unlike today, that was a sacred time when teachers were considered as next to God and were given immense respect. In order to keep the students closer to nature mostly, the classrooms were also located in the forest areas. Practical science was also given due importance. However, then it was not about securing good marks, but about learning the best. The concept of homework was also not present, and this helped the students in focusing more on their learning skills. Also, unlike the modern days, the craziness for ranks did not exist. The Gurukul system taught students about ethics and practical values. Practical teaching were given greater importance as compared to the theoretical concepts which dominate today. The aim was to inculcate, identify, and nurture individual skills and not a rat race towards good scores. The art of living was taught to the students, and in return for these great teachings, students paid their teachers the Guru Dakshina. This great system of education unfortunately vanished in India after 1835. This was replaced by the modern system of education by Lord Macaulay to make the education system more uniform. However, the modern education system is more of a rat race where the crucial teachings of personality, moral consciousness building, and ethical training are completely missing. Rather than holistic training that must be offered to the students, the institutional concept is majorly commercialized nowadays. Important skills including physical training are either missing or are given very less importance, which hampers the overall development of the students. Overall, the major ideology behind the ancient Gurukul system was to emphasize the importance of the overall development of the student that can help them in leading a balanced life. These important aspects of life must be taught to the students from a very young age itself. This would help them in making uniformed and better decisions on their lifestyle, work, routine, and overall matters in life. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you liked it, like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already.